Okay, so we're going to graph f of x equals the absolute value of x plus 7 and then subtract 4. So first thing here, this is an absolute value function. So the parent function looks like the v-shaped absolute value of x in the center. So that's the absolute value of x. But then what's happening? The 7 inside here is causing it to shift in the opposite direction of the sign. So the plus 7 causes it to shift left 7. Okay? And then the negative 4 on the outside, that's going to cause it to shift down 4. So let's see what that does to our graph. So from a center point 0, 0, we're going to go left 7. So we're over at negative 7, and we're going to go down 4. Okay? So that place, the center will be, looks like about negative 7, negative 4. And we'll come out the center right there. Okay, good.